Hey, hello hackers. Welcome to the Hacker Show. Today we are going to discuss about Cybersecurity Roadmap 2025. Welcome to the practical section. So I'm going to give you a detailed guide and have written a complete detail block that exactly we are going to decode under this particular section. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to this particular channel. And if you want to learn hacking completely free, in that case, you can basically join this community for latest updates, latest cheat sheets regarding latest new tools, everything under this particular community. This is the new community we created on Twitter. Please check it out. That community name is called Offensive Hacking Black Hat. Okay. Second, if you are new to this particular platform, follow me on LinkedIn, and here is our company page for latest updates. Almost 111k plus people have joined our community. So let's start the practical section. So I'm going to discuss about Cybersecurity Roadmap 2025. This is completely a detailed guide, okay? So that exactly I'm going to help you out for this. Next generation hacking, prepare for 2025. So dive into this newsletter to learn about Cybersecurity Roadmap, future 2025 technology. So I have created three levels. Level 1 basically for beginner, level 2 is basically for advanced, and level 3 is basically for top tier. Those who know lot of things and they want to upgrade to the next level, then they can go toward this particular level number 3. Okay, तो जिन लोगों को सब कुछ पता है, then you can directly go to the level number 3. So this is basically the mind map which I basically I created. That is called next generation hacking, prepare for 2025. So you can see the level 1 beginner, level 2 this is advanced, top tier. So under the level 1 we have OHSC plus reverse engineering. Under that level 1 we have a cloud services, and third is AD Kerberos networking. So in order to understand this part in detail, you can simply go to the next area that is called beginner level, and here I mention everything in more detail. See this Linux. So if you are a beginner, you need to understand Linux in a detailed manner. Then networking, very important, IPv4, IPv6, ASN, CIDR, subnet, OSI layers, and lots of other. Third is Kali Linux is very important. Kali, Parrot, or some kind of operating system you need to understand, because this is a part of Linux. So Linux fundamental you need to understand first. After that, explore the Kali tools. OS top 10, down the line. AI tools you need to understand, the beginner level. And you can also register for our free courses, which is already available on this website hackerassociate.com. You can go to the courses, you can simply click here. This is a free training, you can join. Second, if you simply go to this area, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Discord, we have a lot of free resources, like for our people. So you can simply download all the slides, PDF, everything under this community. Okay, please join the community if you are new to this particular things. Next, in level 2 actually what we are going to focus on. So there are many things. Cyber security is very big, is not basically these only things. There are many things are there in cyber security, but I have tried to create everything under the one image, so you will not confuse. Whenever maybe if your question coming in your mind, how to start cyber security in 2025, right? So level 2 basically that basically for advanced level. If you want to become a specialist in a specific area, then you can go toward advanced web application and mobile application assessment. So iOS exploitation, Android exploitation, bug bounty stuff, OS top 10, and more detailed manner, like focusing on live application, live hacking. That is exactly called advanced users, right? Next is offensive cloud penetration testing, like learn about multi-cloud pen testing. We have 80 hours of recording and many other things. You can check it out in a detailed blog. You'll get a more idea about it. Offensive cloud pen testing for advanced thing. For advanced level, you want to upgrade. If you are beginner level, that part is completed. Then go to the level 2 and then go for this red, blue, purple team exercise. Now you know all the things. You know about mobile, Android, web, cloud, and all this. Then the next level is basically called 2025 top tier architecture. In that case, you need to focus on AI ML pen testing. I'm not talking about AI powered penetration testing. I am talking about pen testing models, pen testing LLM and all this. We have a complete program also on the same thing. So focus on AI or ML pen testing. Then web 3.0, blockchain, other thing you learn it, cryptos, other thing, right? How to pen test, how to identify vulnerability under the blockchain, master blockchain, and web 3.0 exploitation technique. And this is my personally favorite, for 2025 SCADA, offensive SCADA, offensive IoT, threat hunting, okay, in the hardware level, threat hunting, okay, specifically for industrial automation. All this part, okay, we are going to cover, okay, under the top tier, okay. Those who know the advanced thing, they want to upgrade, they can go toward this. And if you complete everything, then the next level is drone forensics, DFIR, digital forensic, okay, incident response, and many other, okay, areas you can focus on. Okay, so these are basically the important thing you need to focus, okay, specifically for 2025. Also, like Terraform basics, this is part of the beginner. Advanced part, okay, complete automation, okay, like you can write your own scripts, exploit writing. So this is basically part under the level number 3, exploit writing. Focus on this area. So I have created, okay, complete detail blog, check it out, okay, each and everything in detail, level 2, what we need to do. Resources I also given to you, links also I given to you, from where, okay, you can learn everything. Okay, the Twitter thread also, like I added, okay, in the blog. So this is a complete a great blog. Just read this particular blog and understand the things, understand your levels, and accordingly you can upgrade it. If you have any question, okay, you can feel free to ask me over the LinkedIn, message me, or you can directly connect me over the team. I will be very happy to assist you with all this. This is all for this particular section. I hope you enjoy this particular video. I hope you enjoy this cybersecurity roadmap mind map, and we will discuss, okay, in the next area regarding bug bounty and the cloud security roadmap for 2025. Thank you once again, and thank you to my all followers. Thank you to my all supporter. Have a great day and see you in the next episode. Bye time. Take care.